Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way you can strength train with the monkey crawl and a heavy sandbag. I think this is just a great way to play to get your body stronger. It's a good way to incorporate crossing midline, good for your brain, but the monkey crawl itself is phenomenal for building leg strength. But if we use a heavy sandbag, we can build grip strength and arm strength and really add some more to our torso. Anyway, it kind of looks like this. You get down and grab a heavy bag, and we're gonna pick it up, put it across, place our weight on it, pick it up, put it across. And this is just kind of almost fun. Probably won't think it's fun after you do a lot of it. And you don't have to like do big giant movements. You can also just keep it low. Or you could even make bigger movements where maybe you throw it. And this gets to be kind of fun. But if you haven't spent a lot of time just exploring your own body and your body's movements, you can really get some great strength training in. It's play, but play is training. Anyway, give that a shot. If you have a heavy sandbag or pillow, or if you get a Home Depot or Lowe's, you can get a bag of sand. Doesn't have to be expensive, but you can just play with monkey hops and a sandbag. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.